Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable mobile device notifications in the Disneyland application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the three lines at the bottom of the page on the right. And then scroll down and click on the My Profile button. And then click on the Mobile Device Notifications button. And as you can see, you can set notifications for your photos, your plans, offers, and recommendations. So just click on the white circle next to those that you want to enable. And once they turned blue, the notifications are on. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.